Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos in Instagram story. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and then go ahead and click on the plus sign on the lower part of your screen. And then here you want to click story and then take any random photos. After you do that, just go ahead and click on these three little dots on the upper right corner of your screen and then click draw. And then here you can choose any colors that you want. And then once you have your color, just go ahead and long press the screen. Then click done. And then once you've done that, just go ahead and click on this sticker button on the right side of the text button. And then scroll down until you see this icon. It is like a image icon, okay? And then once you've done that, just go ahead and choose the photos that you want. And then you can resize them and put wherever you want. And then again, click the sticker button and then choose any photos that you want. Then you can put them wherever you want, and you can add as much as photos that you want. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.